Okay, we're at Pesachim Perek Gimel Mishnah Zayin. Very interesting Mishnah. What happens when you have two conflicting values or needs that you have to take care of? Which wins out? So I guess the Mishnah is going to tell us. It all depends on what the question is, as we'll soon see. You go, you leave your house in Yad Binyamin, and you're on the way to do Korban Pesach on the 14th day. Or you're going to the Moel to circumcise your son. Or you're going to eat the Sudat Erusin. Your daughter's getting engaged, married, betrothed, bebeit chamiv, in your father-in-law's house? Hold on. Yes, the father-in-law's house. The chatan is going to eat the Sudat Erusin. He's going to get married, essentially. And it's erev Pesach, and you're on the road, and you remember, I left my holy bagel in my house. All these things are a mitzvah. Korban Pesach, Mila, Erusin getting married is a big mitzvah. If you can go back and destroy the Chametz, go back and burn the bagel, and still do the mitzvah in time, then yachzor v'yiva'er. Then you should go back and do it. You should go back v'yiva'er and do bi'or chametz. V'im la, but if not, you have an option, remember, mivat lo b'libo. You always have the option of bitul, okay? Because the Bartanura says, b'd'midoraitas, we know bitul ba'almasagi, bitul is enough. So ideally, you're supposed to do a bi'or. You're supposed to destroy the chametz, because the chachamim were concerned. Maybe you'll see it. You'll be over in Bayirah, Bayimatzah. You'll want it. You'll eat it. Remember, we learned about all those possible concerns. But here you have the opposing concern of, what if you're going to miss your Korban Pesach slot in the Beit HaMikdash? And you have a 3:27 p.m. slot exactly. You're going to miss it. If you can make it back in time, then you should do it. But if not, mivad lo b'libo, then bidoraita, it's enough to do bittul, and you're not violating any halacha whatsoever. And obviously, if you get home, then you have to destroy it when you have time. So that's if you're doing these things, you're on your way to a mitzvah. But lahatzil mina, if you're going to save somebody from marauding non-Jews, umina nahar, somebody's drowning in the river, umina listim, from thieves, umina dleka, or from a fire, umina mapolet, mapolet is an earthquake or like something falling rocks. Okay, this is a suffix nefashot. Then yivatel b'libo. Then you just do bittul. You don't have any question. Maybe you could make it back. Maybe you can't. No questions. If someone's life is in danger, do bittul in your heart, do bittul, and you don't have to worry about the chametz that's in your house. It's just an interesting question why the chachamim said you have to, it's even a question. So I guess it's a chiyuv karet, so they wanted to make sure that a person wouldn't make the mistake of thinking, well, his life is in danger, I can make it. Yivater b'libo. V'lishbot shvitat rashut. What if he's going lishbot shvitat rashut? Let's look at the Bartanura. Haya holech lachshich al atchum. You're going to be on the tchum on the tchum Shabbat. Remember, we learned in Masechet Eruvin that you wanted to go. It's you want to be there. V'liknot shvita. You want to be on the edge and to leave to be kodesh shvita. You don't want to leave food at the edge of 2,000 amot. Rather, you want to be there on night. So therefore, my shvita is at that place, and I can go 2,000 amot farther. I want to eat at my neighbor's house 4,000 amot away. So I go to the edge of the tchum and I wait there. So I want to do that on erev Pesach. So I don't have to leave food on the tchum on erev Pesach. So in this case, and I forgot my chametz, I remember, I left my chametz at home. Yachzor miyad, you have to go back right away. That's not a reason. You're dvar reshut. This is what the issue is. Okay? Lishbot shvitat reshut. A dvar reshut. If I'm going to my friend's house because I want to eat dinner at his house or what have you, yachzor miyad. That's not enough of a reason in order to say that you don't have to go back and do bi'or chametz. And Bartanura adds, interestingly, he says, avaliknot shvitat mitzvah, but if I'm going to be machshich al tchum, to be by the tchum Shabbat, next to the tchum Shabbat, so I'm going to do a mitzvah. I'm going to celebrate a wedding first day of Pesach. That's like the first case, and then you have to decide, can I make it back in time or not? So if there's a mitzvah involved, if it's a mitzvah question, then you should decide, do you have time to go back? If you have time, you should do it. If not, not. If it's takanot nefashot, no questions at all. And if it's a reshut, then yachzor miyad. All right, we'll stop here. If you have any comments or questions, as always, email me at ourspalter@gmail.com. And we'll dedicate our learning to the memory of my father, Rav Simcha ben Yitzchak Kalman. Have a good day.